Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another job lead. Hey, Results CX is hiring, guys. Here's a job that I wanted to share with you. They have 93 open positions from what I could see that were remote. This is a bot that you could speak to. Her name is Olivia. It says she's a recruiting assistant and she can help you apply for this job. If you're interested in applying for this job, you can just click on the bot. It'll pop up when you come to the job. You can click here for search jobs, career areas. They're hiring worldwide, career home, results, home, search jobs. This is all you'll see when you come in. Click on the link of the description that I'm going to put in the description of this video. So I will put that link for this customer service healthcare representative remote role in this video so that way you can click directly on it, guys. But this is a customer service healthcare representative. I'll give you the quick basics of the job description and the job attributes, which is their healthcare agents help results CX customers with a wide range of healthcare related inquiries. So calls will include, but are not limited to, detailed reviews and change requests on member insurance plans, healthcare screenings, appointment scheduling, assisting members with finding the primary physician in their networks, and more. And what we do, one of our agents was contacted by an elderly customer with a great concern. The member had been trying by her groceries. She was trying to buy her groceries for a month and didn't realize that her order had that she had previously placed for medical necessities was used up for her monthly stipend already. So it's pretty much giving you an example on how you'll be able to help the customers going forward. It says we expect greater of ourselves. What's your greater? Come find out at Results CX. So guys, education is the high school diploma or GED, ability to type 25 words per minute. The position requires you to toggle back and forth between multiple systems while communicating with the customer. So you'll need to have intermediate and advanced technical proficiencies. The open availability between 7 a.m. and 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7 days a week. The permanent healthcare pay rate for this role is $13 an hour in training. Pay rates vary by program fit during selections consideration. Nothing compares to a home office. Can I work from home? To work virtually in your home, you will need to have a PC and high-speed internet, ability to connect. All the details, guys, will be here for you to be able to take a look. You can even check to see if there are any other benefits that they will offer. And to apply to this role, you just click on this little button here and it turns green and it'll lead you over to the application process. So super congrats to anyone who gets one of these amazing roles that they have open here, guys. As you can see, there are 93 jobs here. So sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing, guys. Most importantly, please make it an amazing day for someone else. And guys, if you know anyone who's currently looking for a job role, please share this job lead with them or any of the previous job roles, guys, that I've shared with you guys. Thank you so much. Sharing is caring. I appreciate all that you do. Love you lots, guys. And it says right here, if you cannot find a suitable vacancy, drop us a line. You will email them at corporaterecruiting@results-cx.com, guys. So that's what you would do. And I will put the link to the description in this video. So thank you so much. Love you lots, friends. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.